If you want to make your next $10 online, that's within next couple of hours, come closer and take a seat. Here are people right now from Nigeria, from all over the world, making thousands of dollars from this very platform. I will consider this how to make money online with no money or with no capital, even as a student, even if you are in Nigeria. Now you can make your next $10 after watching this video if you follow me step by step. Now if you watch this video to the very end, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your next or your first $10 online. So in the next couple of minutes, I'll be taking you to my screen, sharing with you step by step how you can achieve this even with your smartphone. So if you're returning back to the channel, welcome back to the family, and if you are new here, do well to hit on that subscribe button and turn on bell notification so that YouTube will remind you next time I drop valuable awesome videos like this. I'm very confident that you will find my video very valuable and informative, and it will change your life. I create videos around money, finance and business in this channel. Go to hit on that subscribe button right now and turn on bell notification, and if you are getting value from this video already, hit the like button and let's jump into this video. Now to show you a solid proof, now this is someone from Nigeria and his name is Darcy. He's from Nigeria and he has earned over $1,900, which is over $2,000 from this platform, and he has done almost about 62,000 jobs on this platform. And these are people from other countries. This is African, Egypt, who has made over $4,500 and he has done over 11,000 jobs. And this is someone from Venezuela, Brazil, who has earned over $4,000 and all of that. Now these are rankings, people making a lot of money from this platform. I will call it, this is how to make money in Nigeria 2023 with no money, or how to make money online in 2023 with no money. This is one of the easiest way to make money online. If you are looking to make your first $10, to make your first $5, to make your first $100 in the next 30 days, in the next 10 days, 20 days, this is it. Okay, this is how to make money online in 2023 with no investment. I'll be taking you to the home screen right now, walking you through how you can make a lot of money from this platform called SproutGig. Now first, this is the home screen, as you can see, where the world works. Now SproutGig was formerly called picoworkers. Now this platform is like a more of Fiverr. You don't only do jobs or post jobs here, you can also offer your service. Maybe you are a graphic designer, a copywriter, you can easily offer your service to international brands here and they can hire you to work for them. Now as you can see on the screen, an online marketplace that connects freelance and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. Okay, hire over 250 plus different countries and territories. Hire freelancers in over 250 plus different countries and territories. Now there are freelancers from over 250 countries. Let's go straight to the point on how you can sign up. Now the first thing you have to do when you reach SproutGig is to sign up. Okay, if you have an account with them, just go over and log in. Let's assume you click on sign up. Now there's a link in the description or the pinned comment section. Click on that link and it's going to bring you right here. So you click on sign up and you are going to sign up an account with them. So once you click on sign up, you are going to input every details here. As you can see, rename for internal only. Now you have to put your rename here, your Gmail address, your password, confirm your password, and your nickname. Then you can select the country you are from. Okay, you select the country you are from. If you are from Nigeria, you select your country. Then you can select your profile type. You can select I'm a worker or a player. Now note this, even if you select worker or employer, you can easily switch them later. I already have an account with them, so I'm going to click on login. Then it's going to log into my account. So right here, I've already logged into my account. As you can see up here, I already have some few cents here. That is over 7 cents. I just signed up with SproutGig and I performed 2 tasks and I was able to make over 7 cents. Okay, that's almost $1. All right, now as you can see right here, it's like more of a freelancing platform like Fiverr and Upwork. picoworkers then, which is now SproutGig, was a form of like a place where you can hire workers and where you can do micro jobs. But as it upgrades to SproutGig, you can now post jobs. Now you can post jobs, you can write articles, if you can design websites, if you can design apps, if you can edit videos, or you can edit designs, you can easily come here and put your jobs here and companies will reach out to you. All right, as you can see, this very personal. Its price is $5. Okay, I can translate 1,000 words from you. This one, I will make one lettering logo, which is $2 right here. This is person here will write 1,000 words article on your blogs for just $1. These are people posting their jobs. Now this is one way to make money from SproutGig, by offering your service. Now another way to make money from SproutGig is by doing jobs, like the reason we are here. Now first of all, you can switch from buyer to seller in this very icon right here. You can either switch from buyer to seller. Right now I'm a seller in the platform. This way I can post jobs for people to do. You have to switch from buyer to seller, no, from seller to buyer. So once we have switched our profile, you can come over here to find jobs. So it's going to take you to the place where you can find jobs. Now, as you can see, these are jobs level. These are micro jobs level. Now you can choose your job level. If you are a starter, you are already a starter, because if you want to choose for advanced, you have to upgrade. Now you have to choose as a starter. Then you can choose your categories. If you want to choose on sign up, now these are ways to choose jobs. Now not all jobs here are easy. Some jobs are kind of hard, so you have to do some verification and all that stuff. But we are not here for that. We are not here to do long jobs. We are here to do simple tasks that we can make money fast. Now, the kind of jobs that are easy, number one is TikTok. All right, TikTok is easy. Okay, Twitter micro influencer is easy. That way you have to like a post or follow an account. Instagram micro influencer is easy. You have to like a post or like an account. Now you can also select your payment range between 20 cents and $2, wherever range you want, and that's it. You can select your job level, but we are not going to select job level. We are going to come over here. As you can see, we have over 635 result, which is 635 jobs available. Now these are new offer. Watch videos plus comment $1. This is $1.2. This is $1.2. It has 29 people has done these jobs. 9 people have done this job, and 29 people is the required number. Now this is another task right here. New task: subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very simple. $1 just to subscribe to YouTube channel. $1. Now if you have a YouTube channel you are not using again, or you can use your current YouTube channel, then come over and do this job. All right, just subscribe to a YouTube channel and you hand over $1. Now this is another job right now: download PDF and over $2. Okay, and this is SEO plus promote content with over 30 cents. This kind of jobs are kind of hard, so I don't advise this one. This one is over. Download a free ebook, you hand over $2.5, and these are jobs you can do. Very simple jobs you can do. You can do these jobs within 1 minute and 2 minutes and you are done. And if you can do 10 of these jobs or 20 of these jobs per day, you can make more than $10 every single day. Now not all jobs are easy, but you can select the one that is easy and do it. How you can select the one that is easy? Come over to this place, select your category, then you can do your jobs. Just come to here, then you can select, maybe let's say okay, let's just look for YouTube category or TikTok. Okay, let's say Instagram micro influencer. Then we can just apply. Okay, you can only select one. Let's say Instagram micro influencer. We can apply it. We can check for Instagram. Okay, this is Snapchat follow for 20 cents. Snapchat follow 20 cents. Now these are jobs you can do. Very simple. You just go there, follow the account, send proof, and you are already done. So these are kind of simple jobs you can do and you can make money from. Okay, now this YouTube channel, let's go over and check these jobs out. So let's go over to this YouTube channel and check this job out. Now new task: subscribe to YouTube channel and earn $1. Now look at this requirement. Now this is how you can perform tasks on the website. Okay, you have to be very careful so that you can read every details so that you can get your money. Now first of all, you have to look at how many numbers of workers that is remaining. As you can see, 25 out of 43. That means they still need like 20. That means they still need like 18 people to do these jobs. Okay, now you have to look at the job time rate, which is 1 day. Now this is, do you want to hold this job? Holding is not required, but is encouraged. This way you hold the job. For maybe you want to do the job tomorrow, you want to do it next week, you want to hold it, but it's not advised, because before you come back, someone else has done the job for you. Now this is a very important place you have to watch. And this is a very important place you have to read. Now you have to read every instruction here so that you can carry the task out very carefully. Now this is what is expected from the workers. Now go to this website, just copy the link, then you go to the website, as you can see, then click on continue, then complete human verification to verify that you are not a robot. Then after completing human verification, you will get access to the YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel, complete the job, do your job honestly. Spam proof will lead to ban. Only submit proof if you have subscribed to the channel. Now this is the required proof. Okay, the required proof from the task is your screenshot that you have subscribed to the channel, then the screenshot that shows that you have completed human verification. Very simple. Just come here, you select your file, then you select the screenshot, you put it there, then you submit proof. Now the job will be approved within 24 hours. So once the job is approved, the money will reflect in this very place. Okay, now with this you can make money online in 2023 in Nigeria or in any other country you are. You can make money with SproutGig. You can make money by posting your jobs, posting your skills, or you can make money by performing simple tasks. Another way to make money from this website is by referring your friends. Okay, now once you have tested the website, you can go ahead and click on refer your friends. You are going to be given a specific link. That way you are joining their partnership program, then you can refer your friends. Then just come over here, click on your referral link, copy it, and you can use it to refer your friends. Now this is one of the way you can make money from SproutGig, by referring your friends. How do I earn my commission? Refer new members. I earn commission when they purchase jobs and when they complete jobs. Now when someone purchase jobs, you refer someone register under you. So anytime you purchase jobs or they complete a job, you are going to be earning a percentage on every of their jobs or any of their purchase. Okay, how much will I earn? For each jobs your members complete, you will earn 5%. That means 5% from any job or any purchase they make. Okay, let's imagine 10, you refer 10 people, and these 10 people purchase a job or complete a job of $100, right? $100 times 10, that's $1,000. Now within a month, let's assume you refer 10 people, and these 10 people purchase a job or complete a job of $100 within a month. Okay, now 10 times $100, that is $1,000. Now 5% of $1,000, now 5% of $1,000 is $50. Now imagine you earning $50 every month from these 10 people if they continue to work on this platform. That's a recurring passive income. So this is one of the way you can earn from this platform. And you might be asking, how will I withdraw my money after I've completed my jobs, I have done my task, or I've referred my friends, or I've posted my service and someone has hired me? Now how will I get my money to my bank account? Now this is how you can get your money into your bank account. You come to wallets, then you come to request withdrawal. Now anytime you're ready to make your withdrawal, you come here. I believe the minimum withdrawal is $10. Okay, it's $10. You can see say withdrawals are processed within 10 days. Withdrawal are processed within 10 days. Now this is your wallet and request withdrawal. Now you can only withdraw from $5. Now you can either withdraw via ATM or you can either withdraw via PayPal or Upload. And PayPal is the general place to withdraw your money. Okay, so you just create a PayPal account, then you can easily withdraw your money into a PayPal account, and from your PayPal account you can withdraw your money directly into your Nigeria or Ghana or whatever country you are into that bank account. Okay, so from PayPal you can withdraw your money into your local bank account. Now once you have placed your withdrawal, as you can see, it said not enough funds. That means I don't have up to $5 in my account. So if you have up to $5 in your account, once you place your withdrawal, you place the amount you want to withdraw, then you come here, then you click on submit request. It's going to be processed within 10 days and your money is going to be on your wallet or on your PayPal account. Then from there you can withdraw it into your Nigeria local bank account or into your local bank account wherever country you are. So this is how you can withdraw money from SproutGig, and this is how you can make money from SproutGig. You can make up to $5 within a day if you are serious about SproutGig, and within a week you can make up to $50. That's around 35,000 naira in Nigeria currency, and you can withdraw it into your local bank account. Now if you can spend at least 1 hour every day in this platform, you can make up to $10 every single day, and within a week you can make up to $50. That's 35,000 naira, and you can withdraw it into your PayPal account, then into your Nigeria local bank account. Now this is how you can make money even with no investment. This is how you can make money in Nigeria 2023 with no money or with no capital. I will advise you to go and try this out, and if you can spend 30 minutes here, you can make good money for yourself. And the best part is that they pay in dollars, and dollar rates right now is quite high. That means you're on a good side, so go and try it out. So click on the first link in the description, it will take you here, you sign up, and you are going to start earning. So that's it for this video, guys. I believe you found value. Don't forget to like this video and share it to someone, and if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and turn on bell notification so that YouTube will remind you anytime I drop on some videos like this every single week. You can also perform surveys on this very website and you can make money from it. But the ways I have shared with you right now are the best ways to make money from this very website. Now this is how you can make money online in 2023 with no money or with no investment. I'm going to do a separate video on that, on how to make money from SproutGig by doing influencing work or posting jobs. Okay, that way you are hiring workers to work for you. I will do that here so that the video will not be that long. So this is one of the way, and these are ways you can make money from SproutGig. Okay, go and try this out. Check the link in the description or in the comment section and click on that link. It will bring you here and you will sign up on the platform. That's it, guys. That's how you can make your first $10 online. This is how you can make money online in 2023 with no money. Now you are not paying any investment, you are not paying any money to sign up. So I share with you several ways you can make money from SproutGig. Now SproutGig is a very great platform you can make money from. So this is how you can make money online step by step. I'll be sharing more ways and more platform on how you can make money online locally or internationally. So do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out from this. Okay, so thanks for watching again. If you find this content valuable, like this video and share it to someone you know it can be helpful to them. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the next video. If you want more ways on how you can make money online, I have made a playlist. You can check my screen right now for that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.